Now in this question we have to find x. It is given one of the coordinate as 3 comma x, and the condition is that the lines are parallel. Okay, so slope of line passing through 3 comma x and 2 comma 7b m1. Okay, now m1 is equal to 7 minus x upon 2 minus 3. This is equal to 7 minus x upon negative of 1. Okay. Now what we have used it? We have used m is equal to, that is slope, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay. Now let m2 be the slope of line passing through now the second pair is negative of 1 comma 4, negative of 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Okay. Using the same formula now, m2 is equal to 6 minus 4 upon 0 minus minus 1. So this is 2 upon 1. Given lines are parallel, therefore m1 is equal to m2. Now from 1 and 2, 7 minus x upon negative of 1 is equal to 2 upon 1. 7 minus x is equal to negative of 2. Negative of x is negative of 2, negative of 7. X is equal to 9. This is the answer.